What we found in Apopka is the grounding resistance of the tower grounding system, the building electrical system, were all way too high. The resistance was in the hundreds of ohms in some cases. The wire size or the conductor size that was being used for the grounding, for the halo inside the facility, and everywhere else was inappropriate. It was way too small. And to top all of that off, the bonding methods were horrible. They were using dissimilar metals, mild metal screws on copper plates. Stainless was almost, you couldn't find it in the building. It was just hodgepodge. As each vendor would come in and install a piece of equipment, and there's numbers of them involved, their technicians would use whatever they had on the truck. In some cases, they were hose clamps, like you'd put on a hose on a car. We found out that the main tower ground was nothing more than a piece of all-thread rod driven into the ground with an inappropriate clamp with a copper conductor on it going into the facility. At the tower guide wires, what we found was 10-year-old chemical ground rods that had never been maintained. The resistance of them was far in excess of what they should have been, and the customer admitted they didn't do any maintenance. That's one of the downsides of a chem rod installation. It's a good way to do it in some soil conditions. It wasn't appropriate in this case.